Hello everyone, welcome with me. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. DeFi protocols and other crypto trends are massively acquiring hardware wallets to deal with the wave of hack rocking the crypto industry. These physical wallets provide real protection to users against hacker attack. Adam Lowe of Comscore believes that the crypto winter has created at elevated awareness for consumers to protect their digital assets. To face the growing wave of the cryptocurrency trending platforms, crypto merchants are massively acquiring devices to store funds such as hardware wallets or cold wallets, which has tighter sales of components than manufacture this type of device. The insecure in cybercrime has not only triggered the hiring of cybersecurity and network auditing companies, but also the purchase of the wallets not connected to the internet offline, which better protect crypto assets. A clear example of how this business is moving is the French startup Ledger. The company's daily sales grew an incredible 400%, just 24 hours after the recent massive death of Solana's blockchain-based virtual wallet. The attack, which generated loss of more than $5.2 million, caused an immediate scare in them for this product, said Len Rogers, the company's director of experience. Score strong of crypto fund hardware wallets and considered to be the safe place to store cryptocurrencies. They are held the drive in which the user can store their private access code. Because the funds are not exposed to hacks of wallets detected by exploits, they provide companies and the customer with a higher degree of protection. Another first manufacturer that saw a rapid scare in the sales was Alipay. The Hong Kong-based company sold 30% more wallets and got 50% more traffic to its website following the Solana wallet's hack, a company spokesperson said. Similarly, sales of Keepcase hardware wallets grew by about a third after this attack, according to company's chief technology officer, who goes by the alias Patagos. Leader Rogas said, "These things remind people that security and self-custody are important. Demand for the company's offline wallets grew about third in website and in-person sales at stores that distribute its product. On the flip side, after the collapse of Fugger Digital Ltd. And Celsius Network Ltd., fear has grown among users to keep their money on this leading platform keeps Pasgos relevant. The fear that an attack or the bankruptcy of one of these companies could complicate fund withdrawals has forced them to acquire hardware wallets. The director of products and innovation at Wallet Marker, Comscore Adam Lowe, believes that the cryptocurrency has created a elevated awareness for consumers to protect their digital assets. This year, the Acorus wallet development by Comscore allows benefit from a sugar in demand. The cold wallet looks like a physical credit card, but in size and thickness. Now, centralized crypto exchange, including Binance and Coinbase, globally NC, are offering their customers different digital wallet options. However, these platforms control the access to code of their clients. Why you should care? For Pasgos, in the user does not manage the access key to cryptocurrency trading platform. In reality, he does not own the fund. Physical wallets provide effective protection to users against the attack to which DeFi protocols are permanently subject. The only problem is they are more expensive, ranging from $50 to $300. A hardware wallet is the most secure way to store your crypto, recommended Austin Federer, head of communities at the Solana Foundation. and it's really good idea for everyone who has serious amounts of wealth. However, you define that in crypto he adds similar story on daily coin. Okay, I think that enough for me. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. See you.